This video is going to be about robot vacuum cleaners, or just one actually. It's going to be called the Neato Botvac 85. Now you need to stick around if you want to see how this vacuum performs. The Botvac 85 is recommended for homes with or without pets and can be used on all floor types. The Botvac 85 paint and laser guided technology scans and maps the room, then it plans where it's going to go methodically and cleans from room to room.
It's got something to do with my I
With specifications like 50% larger brushes than any other robot vacuums and bigger dirt bin and filters, the Botvac 85 many features that make this robot vacuum extremely appealing. Its gentle movement over skirting and corners ensures that no marks or scuffs will be left on the paintwork, and the opportunity to schedule daily cleaning or push a button and start instant multi-room and spot cleaning functions also makes the vacuum extremely appealing. The Botvac 85 has the capability to automatically return to its own charge dock and then return where it left off. The Botvac 85 is reasonably quiet compared to most vacuums and hardly noticed when the Botvac 85 is cleaning.
It's got something to do with my
With an LED display to tell you what the Botvac 85 is planning or where it's going to be going, all you have to do is simply sit back, relax and let the Botvac 85 do the cleaning for you.
It's got something to do with my
The Botvac 85 is reasonably priced compared to other robot vacuum cleaners and comes with quite a lot in the box, including 3 filters, an extra brush and a boundary marker which can be placed down if there's an area that you don't wish the Botvac 85 to clean. As well as you also get a charge base and a cord and battery as well.
Don't you know, baby, don't you care? Don't you know, baby, don't you care? Don't you know,
I think the Botvac 85 is definitely worth investing in, as it really is a robot vacuum cleaner that can be used by everyone at any time. And being reasonably priced compared to other robot vacuum cleaners and even some manual models, it would definitely be a sound investment to any home. Thanks for watching.